Career planning is an integral module that belongs to the Talent Management Suite. In career planning, you can define career development plans, you can receive supervisor feedback, and you can present those career plans in Gantt charts. If we look at the setup of career planning, you'll notice that you can include up to 6 years worth of details. You can include certifications in your goals, as well as jobs, costs, even skills and competencies. All of those can be included as goals in your career plan. So, if we look at a specific career plan, you'll notice first of all that the career plans can be defined for up to 6 years. For each year, you are going to have a set of goals, and each goal will then have its own set of objectives. Each objective can be linked with a number of activities, and these activities can be defined right here. Activities can involve training. There could be any other type of activity. It's really up to you what exactly it is that you need to put in your career plans. And you can track the evidence of achievement of these activities and comments from the supervisor. These comments from the supervisor are coming from a supervisor using self-service. For example, the supervisor of Brenda is Barbara Anderson. And under Barbara's self-service activity menu, you can see right here supervisor summary and feedback. And that's where she should be able to add her comments on particular activities which the employee is involved in. Each activity can have a set of comments associated with it. That way, the supervisor can always provide feedback throughout the year. Now, these career plans can be created for different purposes. For example, they could be there to help somebody build their competencies, in which case there's a lot more focus on competencies in the way that the system would be set up. Or it can be designed to help you prepare for certification, or it can be part of a succession plan. Remember, in our succession presentation, we've shown that for each potential successor, you can create a career plan. So that information would be directly integrated with the succession planning system. You can also have a career plan specifically and only to develop somebody's skills. In each case, you will have a set of goals. Each goal would have a set of objectives, and each objective will have a set of activities associated with them. Now, in order to track how far everybody has reached in their career plan, you can have lots of different reports, and you could also present this in a Gantt chart. Now, the layout of this Gantt chart is totally flexible. You will notice here that for the different goals, I can see how much of them is still remaining and how much of it has been completed already. And this is for year one. I can do this for all the different years, and I can have my activities and my objectives included in year two, and so on. It all depends on how you want to configure this Gantt chart. This information can also be exported to Microsoft Project or any other tool that you are using to track your goals and objectives. So, career planning can be used to develop more competencies. It can also be linked with your succession planning, and obviously, it will integrate with and include training management and performance appraisals and more.